Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off Bluetooth mode. After turn off and turn on. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, click on done, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on app, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps button. After turn on show system app button, click on OK and search Bluetooth app.
T. T delete. O delete. U. E.
And click on Bluetooth. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings panel and click on this power icon. Click on restart. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, open again quick settings panel and turn on power saving mode and turn off power saving mode. So turn on or turn off power saving mode. After enable power saving mode, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.